Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be making the layout for the BTS Matching Game. So the first thing we're going to do is click onto the layout itself and change the background into a galaxy type. Galaxy type. Then we'll bring in a text view connected to right and the left, and then connected to the top. This text view is the width is going to match the constraints, and it's going to wrap content. Inside the text view is going to say BTS Matching. Enter. We'll make the text color black. We'll make the text size 40, 30, 30. So 30 SP is good. Then changing the ID into title. ID to title. Making the gravity center horizontal. It 15, 15 down from the top. And we change the background into purple. That'll be good. Okay, now after we do that, we're gonna drag in a button. This button can be used for going back to the home page if you created it, or it can be used to keep track of the points. So I'm gonna use it for it to keep track of the points. Make it 10 down. Right. Button will be called horns, and its width will be matching constraint. Its height 60. So width is matching it, and height is 60. We're gonna go down to background. We're not gonna do the same dark purple. We're gonna do a lighter purple this time. A bit lighter. Yeah. Then we're gonna scroll all the way down. Text color will be black. Size will be 20. There you go. Then we need to go into the split where we can type in code itself. So here we're going to put in a scroll layout. Scroll layout allows you to scroll down. Scroll view. We make this match parent, match parent. Okay, and then we have that. Side of the scroll layout, we will have a constraint layout. So we'll have a scroll layout, so we're able to scroll in it, and then we'll have a constraint layout. Scroll view, if you want, you can just drag in the scroll view like that. And then we have a constraint layout, which will be somewhere over here, constraint layout. So after we do that, we'll add in the scroll, add in the constraint layout. The constraint layout allows you to connect stuff to the walls. So this was match pair. Scroll view will be connected to each of the sides. Okay, then we'll close this off. The code with the text box and the button we made, we'll add that into here. See, now it looks normal. Then we're gonna make a grid layout. The grid layout is for the 16 cards we'll be using while we're making this. So the grid layout will wrap its content. It won't match the parent. Okay. Now we have a grid layout. The grid layout, we're gonna connect it to the bottom of the screen, right of the screen, bottom. We're gonna connect it to the bottom of points. Inside the grid layout, we'll have rows count, which will be 5, and column count, which will be 5. Inside of it, we'll put in a button. So get a button from the comment, put a button into grid layout. Actually, yeah, card 1. Then we need to put in the row layout row 0, column 0. The width will be E5, height will be 100. Okay. Then now we're just gonna make the rest of the buttons. Make sure you make text empty, text size of 0, size with 0. So if you accidentally type something in it, it won't show up. So we'll copy, This one you just have to change the color. And then you copy it and you just change the rows and change the numbers. So I'm gonna skip ahead until I finish this and then come back. So I just finished all the cards in there, and this is what it should look like. And you can check if everything's correct. Yeah. So if it's like that, just change one thing, and then it'll go back to normal. Then you can just change it back. After that, we'll then click onto the grid layout, and we'll put it down by 20. We're going to click on every image except the grid layout itself, because if we touch the grid layout itself, it'll change the grid layout background. We just want it transparent. So after you click on every one of them, go to background and make a logo for it. Have this as its logo. There you go. Go ahead, go down, scroll down into place. So we'll have a margin. I went to margin left, which allows it for it to spread out by certain amount of number I picked. I picked 10. So now it's spread out by 10. Now I'm gonna run it and show you what the result is. So after it loads, it should look like this. This is what the layout should look like. It lines up evenly on both sides. Well, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!